Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson WorkForce WF-2830. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now you do need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, press the home button found in the bottom left hand corner to be taken here. So we're going to start by moving ourselves along to settings. Once you see that cog symbol in the center, press OK. Then we take ourselves along just one to maintenance, press OK again. Nozzle check is the first option, that's like a test page. We're going to take ourselves along to head cleaning, press OK. Then we just press the start button to start cleaning. Now, this process does use up ink, and what your printer's doing is pushing ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be affecting your print quality. As it shows on screen, it can take a couple minutes. We just got to let the printer do its thing. Eventually, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, and you can either just press OK to finish up and be taken back to the normal screen, or do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, and I'd recommend this so you can double check the results if you're clean. We have a separate video on the nozzle check if you want to see it in more detail, but you can just carry on doing cleaning cycles and nozzle checks until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality and can carry on with your printing as normal. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.